Every business has one or two people it could not easily lose. The one who runs operations, holds the key client, or is the only one who really understands the payroll system. This workbook gets that quiet worry out of your head and onto one grid before a resignation forces your hand. It works on two simple scores. Criticality is how much it would hurt to lose a role. Coverage is how protected that seat is today, the bus factor. Keep them apart because the most important role is not always the most at risk. A junior-looking seat that only one person can cover can be your biggest exposure. On the critical roles register, you list the roles you would worry about losing and pick the two scores from the drop-downs. That is all you do. The risk cell, its zone, and a suggested focus fill in automatically, placing each role from critical gap to stable. No guessing, no dragging. The coverage map lays your roles out on a 3x3 grid, with a live count in every cell. The top left corner is the danger zone. Business critical seats only one person can fill. It is the view to put on screen in a succession review, so the conversation starts from the picture. The succession plan tab is the who is ready when half. For each critical seat, you name the candidate successors and score how ready they are, their flight risk, and the action to close the gap. A ready successor you are about to lose is flagged to retain, so your bench never quietly empties. The risk summary counts how much key person risk you carry, lists which roles sit in each cell, and totals your single points of failure. It sorts your successor bench by readiness, who is ready now, in a year, or not yet. So an exposed seat with nobody behind it is impossible to miss. It comes with 4 written guides: how to score the 2 axes honestly, how to read the register for single points of failure, and a printable risk grid you can take into the meeting. Everything you need to use it well, not just a blank template. And you own the whole thing outright. One workbook for Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. No seats, no monthly fee, no platform holding your continuity plan behind a login. Map the seats you cannot afford to lose and keep the plan in a file that is yours. From Ardent Workshop.